So here I'm using Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer in Potion. That's the original primer, just to prime my eyelids. I'm using Hay.x's Ultimate palette in the Brights collection, and I'm using the pinks and purples from this palette. I then go in and smoke out the pinks with MAC's Shadow Lady. This is my favourite colour for any sort of smoky eye, whether it's with brights or with darks. It just works well as an all-rounder. So I'm actually starting to outline my skull jawline using Hay.x's eyebrow pencil. So once I've got my rough outline with the black eyeliner, I then go in with a gel liner. This one is MAC's Black Track, and I really accentuate the dark areas that create the skull, like my cheeks and my nose. I then go in with MAC's Cromacake. This is pure white. The reason I apply the black first and then the white over the top is because if you apply the white and then add black, it will start to go a bit grey. So I wanted this white to really stand out, so I applied that afterwards and then blended some bits through that I wanted to be grey. I'm going in with that same Black Track eyeliner and just creating some teeth, and then I'm also going up for what would be the root area just with a little bit of black, and that's what creates that jaggedy teeth look. I then went in with a pink and just accentuated around the jawline just to create a little bit of colour and kind of just to match my eyes really. So that was my first Halloween tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.